In this tutorial, we'll go over what null layers are and how to use them. Null layers are invisible layers that control one or more other layers. These work the same as the old masters, with the advantage that null layers can control other null layers, and there can be more of them. Let's take a look. Here we set up a cube using multiple layers. To animate them, add a null layer, then go to the Edit Keyframe screen. Select each layer you want to control. Using these arrows as a guide, add your keyframes. To hide the arrows, tap here. To remove or add a layer to or from the null layer, use this button, then tap on the layer number. To control an individual layer, go to the Layers keyframe screen. This button allows you to temporarily disconnect the layer from the null layer. To try it out, here's a QR code of this setup. To learn more about how null layers can be used, check out the multi-wall tutorial. Have any questions? Contact VideoStar support by tapping the question mark on the main screen.